Alright YouTube, round 2 video for today. I have here a Hoover Elite Rewind. Quick story behind this machine. I originally purchased this machine for my aunt for Christmas a couple of years ago, but she was having trouble with the belt, kept popping off, and me and my friend Bill at Vac Lab did extensive tests on this vacuum, and we couldn't get the belt to pop off, but somehow she could. So she gave the machine back to me, saying that it was just taking up space in her house, and I said, well, you can have my Shark that doesn't use a belt, and it has the electric motorized brush. So we swapped vacuums. Needless to say, the Shark is now hers, and now I have her Hoover, and she is loving it as far as I know. And I have this machine here. It's pretty all-around basic vacuum. It's got standard attachments, height adjustment, seeing pretty straightforward cyclone system and straightforward to use. It's nothing heavy or huge to push. It's just your all-around typical American vacuum. But I'm gonna get to doing some vacuuming here. I will only record the hallway as usual because it's just too hard to record with my hand and vacuum here in my living room. So you'll see the hallway here eventually. So let's get started, and I will be right back. Alright, here we go. Power buttons on the side. Not hard to push. Very, it's actually rather lightweight. So, there you have it. The 2017 Hoover Elite Rewind. Thanks for watching.